Today's date is March 1st, 2025, and I thought I'd set some time aside to cover a few of the happenings of the Southeast Michigan Vintage Computer Club. On April 12th, 2025, we'll have ourselves our 7th meet, which will feature a club swap meet and also a BlueSCSI build event hosted by Joe Strohsnyder of Joe's Computer Museum. Joe will also have a selection of his other items available on hand, so be sure to check out his catalog of goods over at jcm-1.com. For more information on the Southeast Michigan Vintage Computer Club, head over to semichiganvcc.blogspot.com. The kids and I took a trip to my hometown of Brighton, Michigan and visited the arcade located at 10816 Grand River Ave. It's full of classic arcade games, new and vintage pinball, and even a handful of modern and Japanese games. Fun for the entire family, for a play for all-day price.
Hey, it's Adam from the Southeast Michigan Vintage Computer Club. It's a windy, cold day. We're at the arcade in Brighton. Let's go inside.
On hand, they have about 3 dozen new and classic pinball machines, some of my favorites being Rush, the Bride of Pinbot, and Pinbot itself. Of course, I had to get into some classics like Tempest, Joust, Galaga, and its sequel Got Plus, as well as Asteroids. The brilliant Robotron 2084 is absolutely amazing, but I am absolutely terrible at it. Some of the standout new additions were Sega's Shinobi, Konami's Russian Attack, Atari's Paperboy, and Bally Midway's arch rivals, where I got beat out by a last-second full-court buzzer shot. Surpassing his old man, my 14-year-old darn near doubled my Time Pilot high score. If you're in the Livingston County area, it's definitely worth swinging in to relive some of those classics, and even test out a few more modern titles. For more information, head over to www.facebook.com/thearcadebrighton. Of course, big thanks goes out to our show sponsor, Retro Rewind. For all of your C64, 128, Plus 4, C16, Amiga, and Tandy Color computer repairs and upgrades, head over to www.retrorewind.ca. If you sign up for an account over on the website and use the promo code CC10 at checkout, you can save yourself 10% on your entire purchase, care of the Commodore Chronicles podcast. Until then, I hope to see you in April, but until then, take care.